The Wirenest Gigabit PoE Splitter with a USB-C power connector offers an outstanding solution for users seeking to combine networking and power delivery over a single Ethernet cable. Ideal for devices like the Raspberry Pi 5 or other USB-C powered peripherals, this device seamlessly integrates into various setups. It is equipped with Gigabit Ethernet Support, ensuring high-speed and reliable connectivity while providing up to 15 watts of power for your devices. The sleek and compact design makes it easy to incorporate into confined spaces or enclosures. Users have praised its plug-and-play functionality, simplifying the setup process significantly. Furthermore, the durable build quality guarantees long-term reliability. This splitter is perfect for a variety of applications, from home projects to professional-grade installations. In summary, the Wirenest Gigabit PoE Splitter with USB-C power connector is an excellent choice for those looking to simplify their connectivity while preserving performance and reliability. This product proves to be an essential tool in today's technology landscapes.